Hey, welcome back to Candalia Beach and our sand table. We just wanted to go through, there are 4 different types of sandcastling. There's forming, where you use a solid block of sand inside a form. We're using bucket forms. And then there is soft packing, which we're going to do in a moment. Drip castling, which is this, where you can make giant trees and small trees. So that's drip castling. And then there's hand stacking. Hand stacking is like this, where you make the pancakes. And you can stack pancakes up like this. So you can make castles very, very easily just using a hand stack like that. And you can pat them, but there's no point because they're solid. So then if you wanted something like a pyramid or a small point on the top of your castle, you can just carve it. Like that. And obviously we use the right tools, because without the tools you can't do the job. But when you've done this with hand stacking, you can even do this. But you can see how soft it is. It hasn't set yet. So the vibration causes liquefaction. But that's soft packing, hand stacking, sorry. And then after hand stacking, there's soft packing. So you all go to the beach and you go, oh yeah, Dad, I got this. Oh yeah, I got this. I'm going to make a sandcastle. Oh yeah. Very effective. When you get to this stage, take away the base of the form. I know people in Florida are already jealous because they can't do this. And do that and go round again and finish it off. And then all the sand you carved off, you keep in a pile behind you, right there. Because you're going to do this. Use the tool and you're going to snap it off underneath the ball. Break it off and roll the ball onto the soft sand. And then hold it here and shake it off. But everybody's heard of Luke Skywalker, right? I don't work for him. I work for the other guy. Dun, 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 dun. So yes, we know that the Dark Lord will return. So, and the great thing about a Death Star is it teaches you, if you can make one of these, you can make a big sandcastle. And the other thing is, it flies. So that is how you test your sand. One of these and one of these. But the Dark Lord will return. Yes. We don't need you, Skywalker. All right, so that's it. Forming, hand stacking, drip castling, and soft packing. Those are the 4 forms of sandcasting we'll teach you at Candalia. And we only do big stuff because we don't do boring. All right, see you next time.